Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe Tokidoki review. Today I have here their brand new 20th anniversary print. It's absolutely adorable. I'm just obsessed with the birthday party theme on this bag. I had several people request for this bag to be in my newest video. So today I've shown you this bag on the body and now we are gonna go do a review, a look all the way around the bag, and then I'm going to unpack it for you guys. Now this brand new print in this bag is releasing today, so I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. You can shop through that anytime. And if you guys missed my last video, I will link it right here for you. I have a few other styles of this brand new print that you guys can check out. So let's go ahead and get started. So this bag is definitely on the smaller side, as you can tell by the size of my hand alone, and also how I showed you guys this bag on the body in the beginning of this video. It's a smaller size bag. But that doesn't mean you can't use it for like a ton of different things. I have used this bag in the past as a diaper bag and it works great. It even has a little pocket inside that you can put a light change pad into, and I will show you guys that later. So don't be afraid to use something a little smaller, especially if you're a minimalist like I am, because it can definitely work. One place I absolutely love taking this style bag is to theme parks, because these days I'm really only carrying things for myself if we go to a theme park, and so this bag is basically for me these days. And I love it. It's just the right size for that stuff. So let's go over some of the features of this bag. At the very top here, you have a webbed strap. This handle is perfect for grabbing your bag in and out of the car. I don't normally like to grab from the straps just because it can weaken them over time, and this is made for the grabbing, so definitely grab for that. You have a double zipper pull opening on the very front here, and those go down about halfway down the side of the bag. And as you can see, it kind of has a front opening to a back opening with this angle, and it's really great for accessing your things easily. These particular zipper pulls are metal, so I will show you guys. They look like this. They have the JuJuBe logo there. And then you also have a special zipper pull here. Is that not adorable? It is a purple uni, and there's the 20th anniversary birthday cake on top of his head. He's wearing a hat that looks like a birthday cake. And then he also has a bottle of champagne over here to help celebrate. So I love this uni, he's so cute. And if you guys wanna check out, like I said, my other video, I go over a couple of the different zipper pulls that they have on the other bags as well. So this pocket with that special zipper pull is just one pull and one zipper going this way. This is a nice size pocket for all of your things. In the past, I've put my phone in here, wallet, things like that, small set pieces. It's great for holding smaller items like that. I also wanted to go over this absolutely adorable enamel tag that they put here. It is a little oversized, but I think it is so cute. And when I first saw it, I thought it was a cupcake, but it's actually the birthday cake, the 20th anniversary birthday cake. And it is so cute. It has a 20 up here with funfetti, and I love funfetti. It's so cute. And then you have the Tokidoki JuJuBe enamel tag here in this really perfect pink icing colored enamel. I love that. So that's just a very special tag that they use specifically for this print. So now that you guys have seen the front of the bag, this is the side, and as you can see, there's not really much going on the sides besides the zipper that I told you about here. And on the very back, you have a really good look at the print. It's just absolutely adorable. I love, love, love these colors, and there are so many fun characters. You have a lot of Donatella's friends here and there, a lot of unis here and here, a lot of different sweet treats like donuts, ice cream, and things like that, birthday cakes, popcorn. You also have a whole bunch of like bubble gum, like round bubble gum balls all around in the background, which I didn't notice until I started looking at this print a little more closely. And I love that. I think it is so cute. You also have little rainbows here and there. And it's just a very fun, celebratory looking print. I love it. It's very birthday party, and I just love birthday party everything. And you have these very comfortable straps. They're very lightweight, but they are padded and they're really cute. So that is a look at the outside of the bag. So let's go ahead and start pulling some things out. Let's go through this pocket first. So in this pocket here, and you can see some of that really pretty lining that is on this bag, and I will show you guys a better look at that in just a minute when we go through the middle. But I have my iPhone 14 Pro, I need to upgrade here, and I've got my Emma on there. Isn't that the cutest phone ever, you guys. I love that. So this is a great pocket to keep your phone in just because it's easy to grab, easy access type of spot. Right behind that, I have a small set piece in the Snow Day print. One of my favorites. I just love the colors, but I also thought it actually paired pretty nicely with this new print. So let's go over on the inside, what we have in here. And I have a brightening stick, which I love. This is great for on the go. In fact, I will show you guys that just because I use this all the time. But basically it looks kind of like a lipstick and it just goes under your under eye and helps brighten up discoloration and things like that. I have bad allergies, like really bad. I'm on shots for them. And I have really dark circles under my eyes because of it. So I also have a Chanel lip balm, one of my favorites. And then I also have an EOS chapstick that smells like French toast. And my kids are always asking me, what smells so good? And I'm like, it's my chapstick, chill. But they're obsessed with it. I also have this, which is fairly new. And it's Sailor Moon's Compact. And it's a mirror, you guys. And I'm obsessed with it. And that's what it looks like on the inside. It's just a double mirror. But it is so cute. Love it. So that's all that I had in here. As you can see, there's also a zipper pocket back here. It's a pretty small little compartment, but it's a great place to keep small things like if you had spare change you don't want like rolling around, this is a great place to contain it. But down there I have a little measuring tape. A lot of you guys know I like to refinish furniture and I like to shop a lot with my mom, and a lot of times we need to have a measuring tape with us to make sure things are gonna fit in the house. All right, so that is all I had in the front pocket, but as you guys can see, it's a pretty decent sized pocket. So let's go ahead and jump on to the inside of the bag. Let's go ahead and open up those double zippers on the front. Okay, here is a closer look at the inside of the bag. I'm also going to go ahead and flip this back just because I feel like that really helps open it up a little bit more for you guys to see. Yep, that definitely worked. So this is what I have going on in here. As I mentioned, I'm a minimalist, so you guys are not gonna see me just throw a bunch of random junk in here. So I have a water bottle here, and I love this color with this print. Is it not perfect? This is a Swell bottle, traveler size. It is a 16 ounce. So this is a pretty good sized bottle and it fits standing up in there, no problem. Down in there beside it, I have my wallet. This is my Madewell wallet in the cinnamon color. I'm obsessed with this wallet. It is by far been my very favorite out of all the ones I think I've ever owned. So I highly recommend it. Also, if you guys see anything in this video that you've got to have, I will link as much as I can down below for you. So I had my wallet down in there. Also down in the main compartment, I have a medium set piece just laying sideways in there. So if that gives you an idea of how wide this bag is, it's about as wide as this. So in my medium set piece, I have a few kind of medically related things. Like I mentioned, I have really bad allergies and I'm on allergy shots, so I have to keep an EpiPen with me every time I go in, and just in general, just all the time. So I have that. I also have my inhaler. Sometimes I get a really bad reaction after my shots and I need my inhaler. And then I have some eye allergy drops. And down beside that, I actually have a small set piece in there, and this is in the lilac color from the Chromatics collection. And in here, I just have some monthly essentials for myself. So I have one pad and 2 different kinds of liners in there, just in case, because you never know. Also down in the main compartment, you can see that there are 2 mesh pockets, one on each side. These are a great place to put a baby bottle if you have a nice skinny baby bottle, like the even flow ones. That type of size is great. And I think even maybe like a wider type might fit as well. But in one of these, I have my sunglasses, and I have to show you guys these because I got these at Dick's and I just love these. My husband got me hooked on Gooder sunglasses, but aren't these the cutest? I love the tortoiseshell look on this one. Super cute. And they're really cheap. I think they were like $25. So these are my bag sunglasses. I have 2 different sets. So I keep my cheaper pair in my bag, and then I keep my beautiful Chanel ones that I'm obsessed with in my car. And I only wear those in my car. I don't trust myself out with those. And this is the pocket I was telling you guys about. This is actually a padded pocket. There is a piece of foam here. So if you had electronics like an iPad or something like that, this is a great pocket for that. It's also great for your phone if you have a larger phone like a Pro Max but I actually have my Sailor Moon notebook in here that my mom actually just brought back from Florida for me, and I thought that was super sweet of her. I love it. I've already used it a ton. And then I have just a pen tucked in on the side there. So that is all that I have in my bag, you guys. But as you can see, like it holds just the necessities and the essentials, and it holds everything that I need on a daily basis. So it's great. I highly recommend the Everyday Mini. It is a great bag. And this print, you just can't go wrong with. It is so cute. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. I'd love to know what bags you're planning to get in this print from this release. Tell me down in the comments. I can't wait to hear. Thanks for watching.